Hi everyone, welcome to Laughter Yoga with the Sunghee. Today I'd like to share my clothing malfunction moment. Yes, sometimes we have a zipper up and down, but sometimes it's not smooth as you want it. So what are you gonna do when you're stuck and you laugh? Are you ready for it? Mm. Okay, I guess time to laugh. Good job, everyone. And second one is laughter laser beam. Yes. So when I point at you and you start to laugh, are you ready for it? Get hit? Yes. 3, 2, 1, go. Good job, everyone, and see you next time.